So these are the two items I ordered from Amazon to fix the CVT exhaust. This is a 3-inch flexible air duct. Got some Loctite silicone, and obviously we need to put that on here. I'm thinking I should be able to run it from there down here. I will get some better lighting once I install it, but something's got to be done with this, because that ain't good the way it is. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. This is flexible. Bend it any way you want, into any position you want. These are some of the applications. You can see that it actually refers to an air intake for an engine. You can get it in different colors. Who cares? I just wanted black. There's a coupler here. It's definitely flexible. It's got some ridging on the inside to allow you to screw onto that. There's another one here that was actually shipped inside the tube, so it's a little, well, you can see what that's all about. But we can make good use of that. So now I'll try fitting this. So here's how I decided to solve the belt exhaust issue on the 21s. So there's the problem, child, where that opening, all the water, rocks, mud, snow, whatever can go right in from this tire right here spinning. So what I bought two things. I bought one from Home Depot. I bought a 3-to-2 reducer, not because I wanted to reduce the airflow, but because the 3 inches fits over the existing OEM tubing here perfectly, and I can use the clamp. And then on the 2-inch side, this other flexible plastic pipe or tubing that I bought from Amazon fits over the 2-inch side of the 3-to-2 reducer, and I can use that clamp. So this was never designed to be waterproof. It's not a true snorkel per se. I'm not looking to go into mud holes and sink the back end of this. I just want to keep all the junk that this tire throws up out of that exhaust. So the flexible tubing is great. I've run it so that, you know, you can see it kind of comes up, goes down here. There's a little bit of an angle to it. It's not straight down. And I'm just affixing it with some Velcro straps and plastic ties. There's this big empty space here where the toolbox used to be, and Polaris decided to take the toolbox out and give us nothing. So for now, I'm making good use of it by snaking my tubing there. So that is my temporary way to take care of the exhaust. Now, the other issue is the inlet, because there's as you well know, the intake right there about where my light is shining for the belt. The water from this tire, which again is like literally right there, you can see where the exhaust is. The water and everything else goes through the inside of the plastics and can hit that intake right there. So you've got water coming in from two directions, through the plastics when there's a lot of splashing to the intake, and then to the exhaust, which we're all too familiar with. So I think I fixed the exhaust. We'll see what it's like out in the field. Next project is the intake.